Hey guys, I just came real quick in the woods and recorded. For the last week, it's been days that I've been wanting to do this video, and it's just so much wind, and we're having a little bit of wind, and I got my GoPro 10 and my Beep MPP Video Mic Pro Plus, and I wanted to test because I have the dead cat on it. Here, let me record that real quick. And this is what my rig looks like. And let's walk with me. We're getting some wind gust. I'm sorry. Pretty good ones. Let's walk a little bit more here forward. And here I can feel comfortable. I can be recording. And let me take the cat out. I'm on regular, no minus 2 dB, no minus 10 dB, no plus 20 dB. I'm feeling as I walk. So let me stop it, and I'm gonna remove the dead cat, and then we check that. Right there is the setup. Of course, you're not gonna walk out like that, but I just want to see what's it sound like. Now let's put the original protector that comes with the microphone. Let me face it. I'm recording at 5K, 30 frames per second on wide, and this will be no dead cat on. I didn't drop anything. I dropped the dead cat. This is with the normal. I'm just feeling the gust. Let me switch it. There you go. I'm getting some wind dust. Wow, wind dust. Wind gust. Pretty strong ones in here. It almost looks like it's going to start raining any minute. And the only thing in here that gets me spooked is I don't want a tree, one of these widow makers. You know, somebody cut out that tree right there. Here it's pretty good. Here it's blowing pretty strong. Wind's coming from the northwest. Let me walk this way. Let's walk a little bit this way. I'm gonna go home, and I just got off work, and I'm gonna go home and have me a little bit of wine and barbecue some fish. My wife actually is doing it, so I'm sure that she's hungry. She's waiting for me. I took the bike out yesterday and I went for a ride, and I was just kind of disappointed because the weather was just like today. Wow. My first ride trying the bike, this bag that I got in the back with this big old ball. It's a backpack that I got with straps. Here's the straps, and the bag is in the back. It's a Chinese company. It was pretty crappy. All this mud. Here's the dead cat. There you go. Right here we're getting some pretty strong wind gust. Fence or something over there. Actually, it's a fence, I think. Oh, horses right here. It's a huge fence. It's probably private property. I don't see a sign, but it sure looks like it. I don't want to get off the trail here. It's pretty warm, and you find a lot of ticks. Oh, it's a farm. It's a tree farm. Bunch of trees in there. And that's what I'm seeing. See that? So anyway, I'm sure you guys are tired of listening to that wind. Let's put this baby back on. Here we are. I took it off. You actually see that? And wow, this is cold. Hunting stand. I'm not supposed to be going out into this thing, so I just found out about that. I didn't know that. Let me just go here for a second. I see a lot of wood here. Somebody was collecting this wood. And here. And there's that. There ain't nobody here. And you guys can see right there the bushes moving. It pretty strong winds. We're gonna do minus 10 dB. Actually, that went to plus 20 dB. I gotta lower my voice, but that's 20. How does that sound? I'm behind the microphone, obviously. Let's flip that over. Oh, you guys can see that's the only issue is with this little dead cat is that since it's pretty big, you know, that lady that just passed kind of looked at me. She saw the whole setup. We just kind of like, wow, that's a big dead cat. But I had to move this down. Okay, if I move the camera a little bit down, then I managed to have that dead cat away from view. And this is what it sounds like being in front of it. How does that sound? Plus 20 dB. So that's got to be pretty loud. Turn your volume down if it's annoying you. I don't have to tell you that. Let's turn it around. I'm gonna record this so you guys can see the actual there's a nice wind gust that we're getting. How does that sound? There's a nice wind gust that we're getting. How does that sound? I'm going to flip it around, and there you go. Plus 20 dB. This is a what? My length arm. it's about 50 centimeters, 40 I'd say. Anyway, I want to get out of here because I'm not too trusty and I don't feel too secure with these trees here. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. We'll see you in the next one.